Welcome to MTH Health. Diving into Brazilian waxing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to hone your skills, we've got expert tips to help you master this technique. Brazilian waxing removes hair from the bikini area, offering a smoother finish. This is different from bikini waxing, which removes more hair. Preparation is the key. Exfoliate and hydrate your skin before waxing. Choose the right wax: soft wax for larger areas, and hard wax for sensitive areas. After waxing, it is important to take care of your skin. Avoid hot baths and tight clothing for at least 24 hours. Let's dispel some common myths. Waxing is painful for everyone, and you can't wax during your period. In fact, many people find it manageable and effective. Now you're ready to master Brazilian waxing. If you find these tips useful, please like and subscribe to MTH Health for more expert advice.